Savor the delightful flavors of Sabudana Khichdi, a savory Indian dish made from tapioca pearls, peanuts, potatoes, and aromatic spices. This gluten-free delight is not only a culinary gem, but also a nutritional powerhouse, offering a rich source of carbohydrates, energy, and essential minerals. Embark on a culinary journey with this versatile dish, perfect for fasting periods, light meals, or satisfying side dishes. Experience the symphony of textures and flavors as you savor each bite of this wholesome and delectable creation. Here's a recipe for a delicious and fluffy Sabudana Khichdi. Soak the tapioca pearls for 4-6 hours or overnight, then cook with peanuts, potatoes, and spices. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade Sabudana Khichdi. Sabudana, also known as tapioca pearls or sago, offers a variety of health benefits. It's a great source of quick energy, gluten-free, aids digestion, and may contribute to bone health and potentially regulate blood pressure. While Sabudana offers health benefits, there are potential side effects to consider, especially if consumed in large quantities or if you have certain health conditions. Visit www.dailynecessities.in for more details.